Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform your photos into stunning sketches with Picsart Editing. So first you can just add your photo into Picsart like this. Then go to Effects, find the Magics category, swipe, and then use this sketchy effect. Adjust and tap on this like this, and now you can just click on a check icon, go to effects again and click on the B and W category, and then choose the B and W icon. Now you can just save this photo. Okay, let's go back to the editing, undo the changes. You can just click on this card. Okay, undo the changes, and then after that here you can go to the effects again, find magic, and then add the sketchy effect again. Now click on adjust and choose the color burn, this one. Now click on a check icon and then find the add photo button, this one, and then add the photo that you just saved before, this one. Adjust the size. Okay, and after this here go to click on the eraser at the top and adjust the brush into 100 like this, and then just swipe diagonally like this. Okay, after that you can just click on a check icon, go to effects again, find the FX here, and then add the noise effect, and that's it. Click on a check icon, and this is the final result. You can just save it to your photo gallery. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.